Hello, welcome to Solver. My name is Janet and this video is part 2 of the topic numbers. And here we are discussing natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. First, natural numbers. What is the simplest idea of a number? Something to count with. Now for example, here you can see some balloons. How many balloons are there? 3 balloons. And here 4 books. And in this image 24 color pencils. So these counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. The smallest natural number is 1. There is no largest natural number. Why is that? Because the next natural number can be found by adding 1 to the current natural number, producing numbers that go on forever. That means there is always a next natural number. And natural numbers don't include negative numbers, fractions or decimals. Next, whole numbers. Whole numbers are simply the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. We know the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. Now when we add 0 to the natural numbers, we get whole numbers. It is denoted by the letter W. So W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. The smallest whole number is 0. And just like natural numbers, there is no largest whole number. Whole numbers don't include negative numbers, fractions or decimals. The next type of numbers is integers. Integers are just like whole numbers, but they also include negative numbers. So all counting numbers, 0 and the negatives of counting numbers form the set of integers. And it is denoted by the letter Z. So Z is equal to all the negative numbers, 0 and all the positive numbers. We know natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. And whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. Then integers are the negatives of all natural numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. So whole numbers and natural numbers are also integers. And there is no smallest or largest integer. Like whole numbers, integers don't include fractions or decimals. Integers include positive integers, 0 and negative integers. How did these different types of numbers came into existence? When people needed to count things or animals, there came the need for natural numbers. And counting starts with 1 only. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. When there is nothing to count, how can we represent that? Thus, the idea of 0 came. When 0 is included with natural numbers, we get the new set of numbers, that is whole numbers. What will happen when we subtract a bigger number from a smaller number? For example, if we subtract 5 from 3, that is 3 minus 5, what do we get? We get a negative number. So when we include these negative numbers with 0 and natural numbers, we get the new set of numbers, that is integers. Now I will give you a real life example for the use of negative numbers. Suppose I have 100 rupees in my bank account. The bank charges me 175 rupees for not keeping the minimum balance. I suppose all of you are familiar with the scenario. Now they took the 100 rupees which I had. And this 75 rupees is in minus balance, that is minus 75. So whenever some money comes into my account, they will deduct this 75 rupees. Now these integers can be classified into different types. First, even numbers. Any integer that can be divided exactly by 2 is an even number. And the last digit of an even number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Any one of these 5 digits should be the last digit of an even number. Some examples of even numbers are minus 16, 0, 4, 84, etc. Next, odd numbers. Any integer that cannot be divided exactly by 2 is an odd number. The last digit of an odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Any one of these digits can be the last digit of an odd number. Some examples are minus 5, 1, 9, 73, etc. Now even and odd numbers can be negative too. It is not necessary that these even or odd numbers should be positive. They can be negative also. Now there are many other different types of numbers and we will be discussing those in the coming videos. Now let's do some questions. Find the least number of 5 digits that is exactly divisible by 456. How can we do this? We know the least 5-digit number is 10,000. Divide 10,000 by 456. Now 456 is a 3-digit number. So in 10,000 take the first 3 digits, that is 100. But 100 is a smaller number than 456, so we cannot divide that. Then take the next digit. So it will become 1000. And how many times 456 will come in 1000? 2 times. Now multiply 2 and 456 and we get 912. Subtract. We are getting 88. Now bring down the next digit, 0. So it will become 880. Now how many 456 are there in 880? Only 1. So multiply this and we are getting 456. Now subtract this. 424. Now this 424 is smaller than 456. That means this is the remainder. Now to find out exactly divisible least number, we can apply one method. That is, the required number is equal to dividend plus divisor minus remainder. Now what is this dividend and divisor? Let's see. Dividend. In division, the number to be divided is called the dividend. So which number we are dividing, that is called the dividend. And divisor is the number by which we are dividing. Then quotient is the result obtained. And remainder is the number left over. So here 10,000 is the dividend, 456 is the divisor, 21 is the quotient, and 424 is the remainder. Now using the method, the required number is, the dividend is 10,000 plus divisor 456 minus remainder 424. Now here we need to do the bracket first. So 456 minus 424 is 32. 10,000 plus 32 is 10,032. So 10,032 is the least 5-digit number which can be divided by 456. The second question. 65 minus 5 into 7 plus 8 into 4 minus 2 minus 1 equal to what? Now, such questions we can solve using Bodmas Rule. Now, what is Bodmas Rule? I have already done a video on Bodmas Rule. I will share the link below. Now, Bodmas is the order of operations. In such questions, we need to follow one order. In that order, first we need to do bracket, then of or order, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. In this question, there is subtraction, multiplication, addition and bracket. So using Bodmas, we need to do bracket first. So what is in the bracket? 8 into 4 minus 2 minus 1. So in bracket there is multiplication and subtraction. Again we need to use Bodmas. So multiplication first. That is 8 into 4. 8 into 4 is 32. So we are getting 32 minus 2 minus 1 in the bracket. Next step is 32 minus 2. That is 30. So there is 30 minus 1 in the bracket. Solve that and we are getting 29. So 65 minus 5 into 7 plus 29. Now there is subtraction, multiplication and addition. Again use Bodmas and we need to do multiplication first. So 5 into 7 is 35. Then there is subtraction and addition. Now subtraction and addition rank equal. That means we can do either subtraction first or addition first. So we will follow as is given in the question. So first step is 65 minus 35. That is 30. Next 30 plus 29 is 59. So that is the answer. Next question. The sum of 4 consecutive numbers is 90. Find the difference between 5 times the third number and 4 times the fourth number. So here the sum of 4 consecutive numbers is given. Consecutive numbers means continuous numbers. So let the first number be x. We are taking the first number as x. So the 4 consecutive numbers are, first number is x. Then the next number will be x plus 1. Then the next number will be x plus 1 plus 1. That is x plus 2. And the next number will be x plus 2 plus 1. That is x plus 3. So again the 4 consecutive numbers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 3. Now in the question, the sum of these consecutive numbers are given as 90. That is x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 equal to 90. Now rearrange the constants and variables and we are getting 4x plus 6 equal to 90. Now we need to solve the equation 4x plus 6 equal to 90. I have already done a video on solving equations and I will share the link below. Solving the equation means finding the value of x. For solving the equation 4x plus 6 equal to 90, first we will keep 4x in the left side of equal sign and plus 6 we will bring to the right side of equal sign. When we are bringing something from the left side to the right side of equal sign, we need to do the opposite operation. So 4x equal to 90 is already in the right side and the opposite of plus 6 is minus 6 equal to 84. That is 4x equal to 84. Now we need to find the value of x. 4 we are multiplying in the left side. So when we bring it to the right side of equal sign, it will become division. So x equal to 84 divided by 4 equal to 21. We got the value of x. That means the first number is 21. What is our question? We need to find the difference between 5 times the third number and 4 times the fourth number. Our third number is x plus 2. Substitute the value 21 plus 2 equal to 23. So we got our third number. Now 5 times the third number is 23 into 5. That is 115. Our fourth number is x plus 3. That is 21 plus 3 equal to 24. Now 4 times the fourth number is 24 into 4 equal to 96. Now what is our question? We need to find the difference. So difference equal to 115 minus 96 equal to 19. So we got the answer. The summary of this lesson is Natural numbers n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Whole numbers w equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And integers z equal to negative natural numbers 0 and positive natural numbers. So that's all for today. Happy learning! Please subscribe to my channel, press bell icon to get all the notifications, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.